name is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of fun to share with you. First, I think I might have found the perfect neutral palette, and this is thanks to a couple of you guys. First, Mandy Davis, Mandy MUA, was sharing that I needed to get the Beiges, the Natural Eyeshadow Collection palette. So you guys, I'm easily influenced. And then another one of my subscribers, Stacy, was like, oh my gosh, I love it. You've got to get your hands on it. So you guys, here's the deal. This guy is a hot commodity. I think it might be like the perfect neutral palette, at least for myself. As many of you know, I am a fan of Chanel, but I can't often use some of their products because of the fragrance, but I can definitely use their eyeshadows, and I do have several of their quads. So you guys, I tracked this down and I not only got, it was all sold out at many places. So I wanted to pop on today and tell you that you need to, it's sold out at Nordstrom, it's sold out on Chanel.com. You can still find it at Macy's. So if you are wanting to get your hands on quite possibly the best neutral palette out there, and you're someone like me who kind of likes those neutral shades, then I think you're gonna wanna get your hands on it. So because of that, I ended up buying 2 of these, one for myself and then one for you guys. I'm going to do a giveaway and I'm going to be giving out this new Chanel Beiges Natural Eyeshadow Collection to one lucky winner. You guys, I'm just so excited about this palette that I just had to share. So then once it was sold out, it made me want it even more. So let's first take a peek at this gorgeousness, okay? So it's classic Beiges. They always have the kind of cream colored with the double CCs. And you guys, oh, there's actually made me laugh because I was studying this up after talking to Mandy about it, going back and forth, because as you know, the last thing I need is another shadow. And I said I don't like palettes, but evidently I do, because this one just was screaming my name. I just feel like this is actually something I would use on a daily basis. And I'm about to go travel. So let's just first take a look at the gorgeousness. I want to give you a good look here at these colors. You guys, I'm kind of buying it for this guy right here. That color, these two just are so pretty. I know I'll wear these. This is kind of like the cooler. This is going to be warmer. Absolutely gorgeous, and I just feel like anybody could use this and love it. Thus, the reason we're doing a giveaway. I'm so excited. Okay, I've been wanting to do another giveaway. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all your support and for growing my channel, and also as sort of a fun little Mother's Day coming up on the weekend. As that would be kind of a fun little thing as well to give to somebody. You guys, here is a swatch of the shadows, and I am going from, let me just bring this up for you. From here, the first set, this beautiful sort of peach shell colored, right here, that's the first set. Then I have these 2 shades here that are absolutely gorgeous. I love this shade right here. That's kind of the whole reason I wanted this palette. Then we've got this shade right next to here, very nice neutral crease shade. And then we've got the warmer shades right here. I'm going to take a photo of this for you. You guys, I am so excited about this palette. I'm so relieved that I got my hands on it, and I just feel like this is going to be a gorgeous palette that so many people would love. So I am excited for this giveaway. I'm gonna leave all the details below on how to enter, but basically what I would love for you to do, yes, subscribe, hit the bell notice to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then if you could just leave me a comment of what your favorite Chanel products are, or if you have a favorite quad, that would be awesome. But I'm so excited to be able to do this giveaway for you guys. And again, as always, thank you so much for your support. You've just made being on YouTube, super fun and enjoyable, and I just feel like I'm getting to know all of you guys. So thank you so much, and have a great weekend.